So let us see the very first in this example how to get a like frequently we will be checking what are our top 10 or top 5 activities, or let's say top 5 products which are based on the total sales, top 10 products or top 5 uh, countries by sales. Okay, how to get that? Okay, there are uh, three ways to get that. Very simple. Top N analysis we call it. Let us create one example similar to this. How to create that? Our requirement is we want to get top 10 products, okay, based on our total sales. So let us see that all our calculations are readily available. You remember we did in our last exercises this that exercise file you can use as for practicing to develop your DAX formulas and all. So all the formulas are readily available. We have to just build up our visuals based on our statistical vision or statistical insights what we want to derive from our data. All right, so all the data and the formulas are readily available. How to get top 10 products? Okay, here we are talking about, let's take an example of any cluster chart. Okay, so what we want to derive here is like, for example, here we are talking about product and total sales. See this? So let us see our example here. We want to fetch our we want to get product name. Okay, so drop product name, and from we want to derive the top 10 products. Okay, so I will select product name, and based on what parameters we want to derive those, we want to base it on total sales. We can base it on total sales. We can base it on total profit. Okay, so that totally depends upon our requirement and what vision we have and what insight we want to derive from our data. So here, based on product name, we want to get based on total sales. So here we have very simple. See how easy it is to visualize your dashboard, visualize your data insights in Power BI. It's that simple. Just click and drop. That's the fun part of creating the interactive dashboards and reports. All right. So product and name. Here our requirement is like we want to get an analysis based on top 10 products. Okay. So first and simple method is like we have a filter over here. Just filter within the filter properties. We have select product name. Okay. Within the product name, here we have filter type. So where we can perform a top N analysis from the filter also. It is that simple. All right. So what we want to figure out is like based on we want to get 10 products. Okay. Top 10. Okay. And by what value you want to select. So it's simple that we want to get our insight based on total sales. So again, click and drag and drop total sales by value. All right. And here our criteria is perform top 10. All right. Top 10 products based on total sales. So click apply and filter. Then only if you don't apply this filter over here, it will not reflect within your visual. So it's very important that you apply the filter. You get to see this. Now it is showing only the top 10 products based on the total sales. You see this? You can just click and drag a little more to just see the visuals. Okay. So that's how you can perform top 10 analysis for any of your parameters. It can be top 10 sales, it can be profit, okay, top 10 orders and all. It can be top sales by country. For example, here, let's see an example, top 5 countries. You can perform top 10, okay, and select number 5 here for top 5 countries. Here important is like we are selecting the parameters as country. All right. So based on countries, it will filter out your data for 5 top countries based on total sales. So here you can you derive an insight based on top 5 countries, then you can assign the pie chart or the donut chart as a visualization for your reporting. All right. See how simple is that? Okay.